Today I'm going to show you in Canva how to remove a background with just one click. So here we have a blank page. I'm going to go to my uploads and add this image. I'm going to resize it to make it full size and where I want it. Then we're going to click on it and go to edit image. And we are going to go to background remover. Now this is a pro feature, so I do have a link for you for pro down below in the description. Trust me, it's worth every single penny. I absolutely love pro. So here it is, and we can see it here. Now there is a little bit here that I don't like of my hair. So what I can do is I can go in with the eraser, and we have this brush here, and we can change the brush size to make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to make it a little bit in between here, zoom in, and I'm just going to kind of brush this up a little bit. And if we make a mistake, then we can always undo it. So say I did that, I'm like, oh, that's not what I wanted. I can hit this little back button and undo that. So what we're going to do is back remover it. Now we'll go all of it, but let's do eraser again. And then let's make this a little bit smaller. And we can click individually, or you can click and drag, either one. I just want that up there. And then this is, we just kind of have some flyaways here. So we're just gonna kind of smooth that a little bit. But that is everything. I don't see any other little bits here. And as you can see, it has the transparent background, the checkered background. So then we can go and drop it. So I'm gonna hit done. And there is my transparent background. Now what we can do from this is we can go share, download, and I'm going to go transparent background, because otherwise if I just download as is, it's going to have the white behind it, which I don't want. So I'm going to go download now. I do have a bajillion pages here, but we're going to go download page 33, transparent background as a PNG. Then what I can do is I'm going to add another page here, and I'm going to just make this a coral color. Then I'm going to drop this in here, and then you can see it here. So here is my image, and I can add text, or I can do whatever I want with it. I can make a thumbnail from it or whatever it may be. It's kind of an awkward pose, but you get the picture. But super easy for creating a transparent background. If you want to learn how to use face retouch in Canva, check out this video next.